Okay, here's Micah, and he is going to demonstrate a running flip. Jacob.
I want to see it.
Were you being serious?
Yeah.
Hey, that's why you can't do that. Look at me. That's why you cannot call for help when you don't need it. Because you've been doing that.
A video?
Yes, you've been doing that so much today, and other times that I don't believe you anymore.
I want to see the video with my flip when it's
Okay,
done.
what are you going to do? Are you going to run to the side? I mean, swim to the side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you splashed Peyton.
That's okay. Good job.
Bye.
Say hi, Mom.
Bye.
Say hi.
Hi.
Here we go, swimmers.
Video that you just did.
Wait, do that thing again. I didn't get that on.
What? Flash?
Hold on, let me get Ben.
That was fun. Ben always jumps to the side.
Hey, Miss P.
Oh, Peyton. Hey. Peyton.
She's just trying to grab whatever she can. Okay, go.
I want to see the video you just took when you're finished. I want to see that other video with me again.
Good job.
Then put its head up all the way where you can take a breath in. I want to see all the videos that you're taking, okay? Mommy?
Okay, show me your jump, Jake. Micah, you want to get another flip in there?
Okay.
Swim to the steps, sweetie.
No. Now?
Yes.
Here we go!
Good job. Okay, your turn. Excellent. Can you dive?
Huh?
Can you do a dive? Okay, we'll work on that. Maybe when I have a suit on, though. That was Ben's cannonball.
Looks like to the people up in that airplane.
Excellent.